Okay, now I have cooked the eggs, so they're all ready to go. And now it's the part, probably the most fun part, I guess, is, wait a second. Okay, sorry about that. Now we have a bucket, and we put the eggs in the cooked eggs shells in the bucket, like this. The tray's kind of still hot, so I'm trying to watch my hand and the camera at the same time. See, they should have these brown spots, like there, and wow, this one's pretty brown. And these eggs are just from the supermarket. And if your type of bird, whatever, lays an egg, just save it so you can use it for this. This is just chicken eggs from the supermarket. So now I just do this the fun way. I just go like this and go crush. It's a little bit sharp, but I'm kind of used to it, so yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have a little bit of some grazes and stuff from doing this. So you just crush it like this. Like this, and then now you get, it's kind of at a, we want it to be not powdery crushed because we do that in the blender, but just kind of enough for like a, I don't know, kind of a bit more. That it smells like. Smells kind of not very nice. So I think this is kind of done. Kind of like that. And now you need to put it in the blender. So, excuse me. Two blades. Oopsies. Now, oh my god. Sorry, can
leave a message after the tone.
Hey, Bob, it's me. Good morning. I can't do much. Nothing morning. I'm sorry I didn't see that on that email.
Sorry, that's a phone.
Sorry.
Actually, I'll make a next video. I'm trying to do this. It's not really working, so I'll try to figure it out, and then, yeah, so I'll see you guys in the